Do you want to turn on the new analytics feature for your advanced Kadence forms? In this video, I'll show you how. Let's jump on in. Okay, so here I am inside the dashboard of WordPress. First thing is to go to my left navigation, and we're looking at Kadence, and go to Forms. This will bring up your forms. Here you can see that my contact form has analytics enabled. So when I click on View Analytics, we can see these analytics to show total views, the number of submissions, and a consequential conversion rate. So here on February 23, I can see I have 2 submissions out of 13 views. As you get more data, you can expand that to 30 and 90 days to see more information about how well your forms are converting. If I go back to forms here, we can see that this web design form does not have analytics enabled. So what we're going to do is click on Edit to go in and turn that on. So the easiest way to get to the form editor is to click on Document Overview and then click on Forms, and now all my information comes up in the sidebar. The other way to do it is to click on a field within the form, and then you end up with this item in the sidebar on the other side of the page that says View Form Settings. If I click that, that also comes up with the top level web design form in this case, and all the details for that form. If I click in the Advanced tab for the overall form, I can go to Analytics and click Enable Analytics. At that point, I click Update, and this form is now updated. When I click on Forms, we can see that I now have the ability to view analytics. And when I view those analytics, of course, there's no data yet because it's not yet being gathered. But as I start viewing and people start looking at this form, we'll begin to know how many people are viewing this form and how many submissions we get, and therefore the consequent conversion rate. I hope you liked that quick tip. If you want more like that, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.